In this video, you will learn how does the Atlas credit card work. Apply for the Atlas credit card. Start by submitting an application either online or through the Atlas credit card provider, providing your personal and financial information. Receive or activate your card. Once you're approved, your physical card will arrive by mail. Activate it online or by phone before you use it. Use the card for purchases. You can use the Atlas credit card anywhere. The credit cards are accepted, both online and in-store, to make payments or even purchases. Earn rewards and benefits. Depending on your card type, you may earn cashback, travel points or other rewards for eligible transactions. Pay your monthly bills. Each month you will receive a statement. Pay at least a minimum amount due to maintain your good credit standing and avoid interest payments. Manage your account online. Track expenses, transactions, and make payments easily through the Atlas Credit Card online portal or even their mobile app. Now you know how does the Atlas Credit Card work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.